big challenge always in these motorhomes, you don't have enough power. And a lot of stuff use power that you don't know that's actually using power.
You bet.
Especially when the kids leave the light on during the nighttime. And I like LEDs as an option, but it's a little intimidating when I have an older unit and I have to replace lights. Do I need to bring it to an RV dealer or can I do it myself?
Oh no, this is a super easy process for anybody to do. It's as simple as changing a bulb, and we've all done that. What we prefer to do here is instead of changing the whole light to a light that has LEDs, we'd rather just change the bulb out.
So you guys got these little packets in your parts department, and I picked up one of these. They're obviously specific to application, am I right?
Yeah, this is, there are different types of bulbs we deal with, 1141s, 921s, 912s. There's so many different bulbs out there. What this is more of a universal pack. What a lot of people don't realize is a 921 and a 912 bulb are identical. One's brighter than the other. It produces more heat. So they need to use a less heat generating bulb when it's a very tight light.
My eyes are already glazed over with 921, 22, 933, and so help me out with the logic. Why LED and not just replace it with another bulb?
Well, back in the day when we had to have different bulbs for different heat generation, that's why we have so many. LED doesn't generate near the heat. So we actually have one bulb kit that'll replace just about every bulb in your RV.
How long do they last?
Those are lucky a year or two. These actually come with a 10-year warranty, so you know they're gonna last at least that long.
So the trailer's gonna be long gone, you're still gonna have light, isn't it?
It's still gonna be working. You're just saving the next guy some money.
How do I put it in, JC? Show me.
It's so simple. A lot of your pancake style lights, that's what this one's called, slide them back and down without breaking them.
Yeah, you're a little short. Do you want me to do that one? No?
No, anybody can do this.
You got a chafe for him? Yeah? No.
Says the tall guy. So on the 921, we just pull the bulb straight out. And with these ones, we just push the bulb straight in.
That's it?
You're done. Well,
except for the
done.
cover.
Put the cover back on. Installation complete.
Am I going to break the bank with these things? Are they like normal light bulbs or are they expensive?
There are more money than your traditional light bulbs. But think of it this way. You're buying them once.
There you go. 10 years, here we go.
You bet.